we built a very simple app here that happens, it's a historian analysis app, happens to have 2 pages in it, one which has a single trend chart, one which has multiple trends in it. I'm going to jump right into the app so you can see at the runtime. Actually, what I should do here before I do that, I'm going to edit one of these pages. And what you'll see here is this is a drag and drop HTML5 based editor. So I have cards on the display, so this is a card. In that card, there are multiple containers. Here's a navigation so I can see where I am. In this case, Operations Hub allows you to create context associated with an asset model. And I'll jump there in a moment. So I can have one application, I can have one screen, and as I move through the application, I traverse the asset model. I go to the pump station in Buffalo. I can see the data on a trend from that pump station. If I have the ability to, I can jump over to the pump station in Quebec. I can see the trend data from that pump without having to do anything, just because I've gone through a navigation system. So anyway, very simple. We have a trend analysis card. We've got and in this case, we've got 2 on the screen. So we have two trends. I want to be able to look at 2 machines from the same plant. I want to be able to look at 2 machines from different plants. Very simple type of analysis to help me do comparative. So that's, if I wanted to create a new widget, we have a whole set of different types of widgets. I could have a button, I could have toggles, I could have sliders, inputs, I could have drop downs, I could have display widgets, visualizations, text, tables, whatever it may be, maps. And then a key thing here is there are layouts and tools. So if we look actually up here, where is it? Let's slid over. There's the ability to have multiple views for a given app. So that was in the display. No, maybe it's in the tools. But I can have for a given app, I can have a layout designed for a phone versus a mobile tablet versus a desktop versus, you could define your layouts. We have customers using smartwatches with the same technology. The things that you see on a smartwatch from one application are different. So based on the display type, you can choose, I only want to show one of these widgets, one of these cards, if a user is on that type of device, versus if they're on a computer monitor, I want them to see these 10 different cards. That's called responsive design, and we allow you to do that.